Hello children, today we are going to study a new lesson in which we will see the love, care and protection of a mother towards her children. So the name of the lesson is A Loving Mother. Now children, we will study and understand the chapter. So let us start. One day, Mother Duck took her two little ducklings to the lake. Quack, 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 cried the ducklings as they followed their mother. Just then, Mother Duck saw a fox coming towards them. She was frightened, but she had a bright idea. Hurry, get into the lake, she cried. There is a fox. The ducklings quickly ran towards the lake. Now children, let us understand the paragraph. One day, Mother Duck took her two little ducklings to the lake. Children, do you know what is a duckling? A baby duck is known as a duckling. The ducklings cried quack quack as they followed their mother. Just then, Mother Duck saw a fox coming towards them and she became very frightened because the fox might eat her ducklings. But the duck was clever. Suddenly, a brilliant idea struck into her mind. She told her ducklings to immediately hurry and get into the lake, as there is a fox who can harm you. Then you know what happened, children? The ducklings quickly ran towards the lake. Then Mother Duck began to walk slowly, dragging one wing on the ground. Children, do you know the meaning of dragging? The meaning of dragging is pulling something with difficulty. The fox was very happy to see this. It seems that she is hurt and cannot fly. I can easily catch her and eat her up, he thought. Then he rushed towards her. Mother Duck started running away from the lake. The fox ran after her. She turned to look at her ducklings. They were swimming safely in the lake. Mother Duck was pleased. She took a deep breath. Now the meaning of took a deep breath means stop to make oneself feel strong and confident. The fox thought she was tired and he came closer. Mother Duck quickly spread her wings and flew up in the air. Now in the next paragraph, after that, Mother Duck began to walk slowly, dragging one wing on the ground. It seemed that she is hurt and cannot fly. Children, you know why the duck acted like this? Because on seeing her, the fox would try to catch her, and in the meantime, the ducklings could enter the lake. On seeing this, the fox became very happy. He thought to himself that the duck is hurt and can't fly. Now I can easily catch her and eat her. In the last paragraph, she landed in the middle of the lake and started swimming happily with her ducklings. The fox was fooled. He could not swim. Mother Duck and her ducklings were safe in the middle of the lake. You know, children, all this the fox was thinking in his mind. So then he ran towards her in order to catch and eat her. On seeing the fox coming towards her, the mother duck started running away from the lake and the fox ran after her. Mother duck, who was worried about her ducklings, turned to look at them and she saw that they were swimming safely in the lake. So she became very happy and pleased. And then she took a deep breath because her children were now safe from the fox. Here the fox thought she was tired, so he came closer. Then what happened, children? Listen carefully. Mother duck quickly spread her wings and flew up in the air, making the fox a fool. Mother duck landed in the middle of the lake and started swimming with her ducklings. The fox became a fool as he did not know how to swim. And then Mother duck and her ducklings were safe in the middle of the lake. So, this is how the story ends. Now children, let us see some question and answers. Where did Mother duck take her two little ducklings? Mother duck took her two little ducklings to the lake. Next, what did Mother duck tell her ducklings when she saw the fox? When Mother duck saw the fox, then she told her ducklings to hurry and get into the lake. Next, why did Mother duck walk slowly, dragging one wing on the ground? Mother duck saw a fox coming towards them and she was frightened. So she walked slowly, dragging one wing on the ground. Why was Mother duck pleased? Mother duck was pleased because she saw her ducklings swimming safely in the lake. Now I hope children you must have understood the lesson. Do revise it at home. Thank you and God bless you.